AI-powered chatbots are revolutionizing how we work, and you've probably already heard of tools like ChatGPT, but that's really just scratching the surface. Every single day, millions of people around the world are leveraging AI chatbots to not only enhance their productivity, but also streamline processes, automate complex tasks, and significantly improve customer service. These AI chat tools are transforming the way businesses operate, allowing companies of all sizes to scale more efficiently, manage workflows effortlessly, and even generate creative content. From automating tedious administrative tasks to enhancing client interactions, AI chatbots are quickly becoming indispensable in nearly every industry. What's even more exciting is how these chatbots are evolving. With advancements in natural language processing, machine learning, and AI-driven algorithms, these tools are becoming smarter, more intuitive, and increasingly effective at understanding and responding to human needs. The range of applications for AI chatbots has grown exponentially, making it easier than ever to integrate them into your daily operations, whether for personal use, team collaboration, or running an entire business. Whether you need a chatbot to assist with scheduling, handle customer inquiries, or even help write content, AI-powered chatbots can now handle a multitude of tasks at once, freeing up valuable time for you and your team to focus on more important things. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 5 AI chatbots of 2025, the cutting-edge tools that you can start using today to supercharge your operations. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business owner, or part of a large corporation, these AI chatbots can help you work smarter, not harder. We'll explore everything from their core features and unique advantages to how they can be seamlessly integrated into your workflow to make a real difference in your business. At the end of this video, we'll reveal our #1 pick for the best AI chatbot on the market right now. Let's kick things off with ChatSonic by WriteSonic. ChatSonic is one of the most powerful AI-powered platforms available today, and it's truly a game-changer for businesses. It's built on GPT-4 Turbo, but it doesn't stop there. ChatSonic takes things a step further by incorporating real-time data access and AI-generated image creation, making it more dynamic and versatile than traditional chatbots. This tool can handle everything from content generation to automated customer support, making it a complete solution for businesses looking to improve efficiency and customer experience. The platform's AI assistant, BotSonic, is particularly useful for businesses. BotSonic can create custom chatbots that interact directly with your customers, handle sales inquiries, and even automate support tasks, making it perfect for companies that want to optimize customer interactions and streamline lead generation. Whether you're in need of a customer-facing chatbot or a tool to assist your sales team, ChatSonic can do it all. And the best part, there's a free plan available to get started, with paid plans starting at just $19 per month. If you're looking for a versatile AI solution to integrate into your business, ChatSonic is definitely one to consider. Next on our list is Copy.ai's AI chatbot. This chatbot is designed with a focus on marketing and sales, making it a perfect fit for businesses looking to improve their outreach and automate everyday tasks. Copy.ai's chatbot has the added advantage of being able to access live data from the web, which allows it to generate personalized marketing content and sales outreach materials in real time. It's also a great tool for businesses looking to improve internal productivity or automate tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. With paid plans starting at $49 per month, businesses can leverage it for everything from customer engagement to lead generation. The chatbot can also be used across teams, offering great scalability for growing businesses. If you're looking to get more out of your sales and marketing efforts, Copy.ai is a fantastic tool to help you achieve that. The third AI chatbot on our list is LiveChat AI. If you're running a business that depends on customer support, LiveChat AI is a must-have. This tool is specifically designed to help businesses automate their customer service. It can handle basic customer inquiries, troubleshoot problems, and provide instant answers, which reduces the dependency on human support teams. Live Chat AI integrates seamlessly with your existing workflows, making it incredibly easy to implement and scale. It can handle customer queries 24/7 and works across multiple platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and even social media channels. This is perfect for businesses looking to scale customer service and improve their online support system. If you're looking to boost customer satisfaction while cutting down on costs, LiveChat AI is an ideal solution. Plans start at $65 per month, and with its robust integration capabilities, you can provide top-tier support wherever your customers are. But let us know in the comments below how you would use them in your day-to-day workflow. And next on our list is Jasper Chat. If you're familiar with Jasper AI, you know that it's one of the top AI writing platforms for content creators and marketers. But did you know Jasper also has its own AI chatbot? Jasper Chat is a command-based chatbot designed to help content creators and marketers generate ideas, solve problems, and assist with writing tasks. It's great for those who need a reliable assistant to help brainstorm or generate content in a flash. Jasper Chat also has a refining feature that allows you to tweak your prompts and optimize them for better results, ensuring you get the exact output you need. Whether you're brainstorming, writing, or just need a conversational AI assistant, Jasper Chat can help you get the job done quickly and efficiently. Pricing starts at $24 per month for a Jasper subscription, which includes access to Jasper Chat and other amazing features. We have Tidio Plus AI, a platform that focuses on automating customer support. Tidio helps businesses create automated chat workflows for support and sales. And with the Tidio Plus AI plan, users can unlock advanced AI features that help reduce customer churn and improve customer retention. With Tidio Plus, you can automate chat workflows to handle more conversations at once, reduce wait times, and provide better customer experiences. Pricing starts at $329 per month, but there's also a free version available for those who just need basic chatbot functionalities. We've chosen ChatSonic by WriteSonic as our #1 pick. Why did we choose ChatSonic? Well, its advanced capabilities, including real-time data access and the ability to build fully customizable AI assistants, truly set it apart from the competition. These features allow you to create tailored solutions for your business or personal needs, whether it's for automating customer support, boosting productivity, or creating engaging content. ChatSonic is not just another chatbot. It's a game-changing tool that is incredibly versatile, scalable, and intuitive. Its ability to understand context and natural language makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to enhance customer interaction. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to optimize your workflow, a content creator needing help with ideas, or a large business in need of personalized customer support, ChatSonic is capable of handling virtually every use case effectively and efficiently. Another major advantage of ChatSonic is that it's built on GPT-4 Turbo, which ensures high-quality, accurate, and reliable outputs. The real-time data access feature ensures that the information your chatbot provides is always up to date, which is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. This is particularly beneficial for businesses that rely on the latest data to engage with customers and offer real-time solutions. Furthermore, ChatSonic's integration options are vast, allowing you to connect with a variety of third-party apps and services, further increasing its utility and streamlining your operations. If you're interested in trying any of these AI chatbots for yourself, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. These links will take you directly to the official platforms where you can explore more features, check out the pricing, and get started with the chatbot that best suits your needs. And if you do decide to make a purchase through these links, we may receive a small commission, which helps support our team and allows us to continue making ad-free content that's valuable to you. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our upcoming content. We're always testing and reviewing the latest tools and technologies to help you stay ahead in this ever-evolving world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the best AI tools to enhance your business and life.